Hello, friends of Tom and Kikau. In the process of breeding cockatiels, the type of feed is crucial for a smooth breeding process. The primary feed for cockatiels is a mixture of grains such as white millet, yellow millet, and red millet, canary seed, and a limited amount of sunflower seeds. Each breeder has their own unique recipe for preparing the feed. Below, we discuss the advantages of each type of grain so you can choose the right one for your needs. Millet. Millet is beneficial as a primary energy source because it contains a high amount of carbohydrates, thus helping maintain stamina and daily activity in birds. White and yellow millet tend to be lighter and easier to digest, while red millet is slightly harder and helps exercise the beak. A combination of white and yellow millet with a small amount of red millet is recommended for a more balanced diet. Canary seed. Canary seed contains a high protein content, providing a more stable energy source, helping maintain optimal stamina, increasing a bird's libido, is excellent for parent birds feeding chicks, and is a staple food for underweight or thinning cockatiels. It can be mixed with millet and is safe for daily feeding. Sunflower seeds. Sunflower seeds contain high levels of fat and vegetable protein, which are beneficial for increasing stamina in birds, especially in male breeders during the breeding period. However, their use should be limited, as they can lead to obesity and feather damage. Only provide them as a supplement to small birds. So, there you have it, my friends, a brief discussion about the main food sources for supporting cockatiel breeding. The key is a balanced diet that meets the bird's needs. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video, and greetings to all bird lovers.